कृष्ण हरे हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, dear devotees, and pranam. Jai Srila Prabhupada. So we'll continue with our chanting, and then 8 o'clock we'll start Bhagavad Gita study. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna auntie.
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा भैया।
Hare Krishna didi. How are you?
हरे कृष्णा।
राम हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram
हरे
Hare Hare.
कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna
हरे
Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Hare
हरे
Ram, Ram
हरे
Ram Hare Hare.
हरे
Jai
कृष्ण
Shri Krishna
कृष्ण
Chaitanya
कृष्ण
Prabhu
हरे
Nityananda
हरे
Shri
हरे
Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi
राम
Gaur
हरे हरे
Bhaktivinoda.
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
कृष्ण
Krishna
हरे
Krishna, Hare
हरे
Hare, Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna
हरे
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Hare, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram,
हरे
Ram
हरे
Ram, Hare
हरे
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
कृष्ण
Hare, Hare
कृष्ण हरे
Krishna, Hare
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
हरे
Ram
हरे
Ram, Hare Hare,
हरे कृष्ण
Hare Krishna,
कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण हरे
Krishna,
हरे हरे
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
राम
Hare
हरे हरे
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
हरे
Hare,
कृष्ण
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
कृष्ण
Krishna
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
हरे हरे
Hare Krishna,
हरे कृष्ण
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram,
हरे
Ram
हरे
Ram, Hare
हरे
Hare, Hare Krishna,
राम
Hare
राम
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna
हरे
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram, Ram
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Hare Hare,
हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
राम हरे हरे हरे
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Ram, Ram
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna Krishna, Hare
हरे
Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
कृष्ण हरे हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
राम
Krishna
हरे हरे
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
हरे
Hare Ram,
कृष्ण
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे हरे हरे
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram,
राम
Hare
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna, Krishna
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
राम
Krishna
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Hare Hare,
हरे कृष्ण
Hare Ram, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram,
कृष्ण
Ram Ram,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
राम
Hare,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram
हरे
Ram, Hare Hare,
कृष्ण कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna Krishna,
राम
Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
हरे
Hare Hare,
हरे
Hare Krishna,
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे हरे
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram
राम
Ram,
हरे
Hare
हरे हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
कृष्ण
Krishna
हरे
Krishna, Hare
हरे
Hare, Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
राम हरे हरे
Hare Krishna,
हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Ram Ram,
हरे
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
राम
Hare Krishna, Krishna
हरे हरे
Krishna, Hare Hare,
हरे कृष्ण
Hare Ram,
कृष्ण
Hare Ram,
कृष्ण
Ram
कृष्ण
Ram,
हरे हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
राम
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
हरे हरे
Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare Ram,
कृष्ण
Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna
हरे
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
हरे हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Hare, Hare
कृष्ण
Ram,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
राम हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
हरे
Krishna Krishna,
कृष्ण
Hare Hare,
कृष्ण
Ram,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Ram Ram,
हरे
Hare Hare, Hare
राम
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna
Hare Ram Hare
Krishna
Ram Ram
Hare
Ram
Hare
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 Hare.
Ram
Hare
Hare
Ram Hare Ram
Hare
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Ram Ram
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Hare
Ram
Hare
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 Ram
Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Ram
Ram
Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna Hare
Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna Hare
Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Krishna Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare
Hare Hare.
Ram
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Ram
Ram
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare Hare
Krishna Hare Ram
Hare Hare. Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
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 Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare
Hare.
Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Ram Hare Ram
Hare
Ram
Krishna
Ram Hare Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Ram
Ram
Krishna Hare
Hare Hare.
Krishna Hare
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare
Ram
Ram
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Ram Ram
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Ram
Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare Krishna
Ram Ram
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare Hare
Krishna
Ram
Hare
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 Hare.
Ram Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Krishna
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 Krishna Hare
Krishna
Ram
Hare Hare Hare
Krishna
Ram
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram
Hare
Hare Hare.
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Hare Hare Ram
Hare
Hare Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare
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 Hare Ram Hare Ram
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 Hare
Ram
Hare.
Hare Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
Ram Ram
Hare
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 Hare Krishna
Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare
Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram 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 Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram
Hare
Ram
Hare.
Ram Ram Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Ram 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 Hare Krishna Hare
Ram
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Krishna Hare Ram Ram Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Ram
Hare
Ram
Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
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 Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
Ram
Hare
Hare
Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna
Ram
Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna 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 Hare Hare Hare
Krishna Krishna
Ram
Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna 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 Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna
Ram Ram
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Ram Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare
Ram
Ram Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Krishna Hare
Hare
Ram Ram
Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, everyone. Dandavat
Hare
Pranam,
Krishna.
Jai Shri Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you for joining and welcome to today's Friday program. So we'll start. Today we will have our Bhagavad Gita. We'll continue with Bhagavad Gita study. So give me 1 second. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Good, Prabhuji.
Good, good. Hari Bol. Okay, so how to share Zoom? So, of course, we are reading Bhagavad Gita, the divine song of God. This month is very special, right? Like we discussed on last Tuesday or Thursday when we had the meeting. Wednesday, I forgot. So December is a very special month for ISKCON devotees for Bhagavad Gita because we're spreading this fundamental knowledge throughout the world to each and everyone possible. Devotees are, they do everything they can to distribute Bhagavad Gita throughout the year, but this month is very special because in this month we also have celebration for the appearance of Bhagavad Gita. right? Gita Jayanti. That will be on 25th December. So very, very to us, should as translations available, even the heart of Krishna was not there in. So Prabhupada gave us Bhagavad Gita as it is, as Krishna desired, what he so we are on chapter 5, advancing in Bhakti Yoga. Absolutely, very, very important. We'll sometimes there'll be yes, Prabhuji.
Audio is something wrong with
Yes,
the
Anka, go
audio.
ahead. Oh, really? Is it breaking? Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, yes, bro.
Yes.
Okay. So just let me know if there is any disturbance in my voice or you are not able to hear. Feel free to unmute yourself and let me know. Thank you. So we will be covering chapter 5 as much as we can. Today we'll continue with the discussion. And of course, by mercy of Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada, we will try to understand with our limited minds, by his mercy, by the mercy of Guru Parampara, we will try to understand. So we'll do for couple of minutes, we'll do Kirtan and then we'll start so that we all can settle down in the right consciousness. It's very important to participate in the Kirtan before Katha so that our minds, our hearts can catch that frequency, right? Because it's a transcendental knowledge. So that connection is very important with the divine. So we'll do Kirtan for a few minutes and then proceed with the discussion. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvaradhari Gopi Jana Vallabha
Girivaradhari
Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana
Yodanandana Vrajajana Ranjana
Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana
Ranjana
Yamuna Tira Vanachari
Yamuna Tira
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya
Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari
Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvaradhari
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvaradhari
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvaradhari
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girvaradhari
Yashodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana
Yashodanandana Jaya Brajanandana
Yashodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana
Yashodanandana Jaya Brajanandana
Yamuna Tiravanachari
Yamunati Charachari
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare
Hare.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Jai
Hare.
Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura
Jaya
Hari
Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Srila Prabhupada.
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Prabhupada,
Prabhupada,
Srila
Jaya Jaya
Jaya Jaya Gurudev, 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 Jaya Srila Gurudev.
Jai Jaya
Gurudev,
Gurudev, Jai Gurudev, Jai Shri
Jaya
Gurudev.
Gurudev.
Gaur Premanandi,
Hari
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 Bol.
Bol. So we'll start with Mangala Charan, auspicious prayers. We'll invoke the mercy of our Guru Parampara, our Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, and the whole.
Prabhuji, your voice is very low,
Whatever we can
Prabhuji.
discuss today.
Voice is very low, Prabhuji.
Okay, let me see if I can put the headphone and that if that becomes better. Okay, is that better now, the voice?
That's probably much better.
Okay. I mean, is it audible enough? I mean, or is still there is some disturbance?
Okay, Prabhu.
Okay. So we'll start with Mangala Charan, auspicious prayers, so that we can invoke the mercy of our Guru Parampara. And by their mercy, we can try to understand something today that can help us in our bhakti. Om Agyantimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavaischa Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute
Tapta.
Tapta Kanchan Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminati Namine
Yes.
Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyati Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Thank you everyone for participating in the prayers. Is my voice still okay?
Yes, it's good.
Haribol. Okay, so anyone knows what is this picture all about? Famous picture? Come on, all of us know.
Govardhan Leela.
Govardhan Leela, right?
Yes.
Hmm? So I just put it here because it is very relevant to our current scenario in the whole world. We are all in lockdown, right? Kind of lockdown.
Yeah.
So if we see this, if we see the Govardhan Leela, it was the greatest lockdown in the history, right? When Indra, he started, he caused the big rainfall and the snowfall, we can say, like it was really not really the snow that we see here, the soft snow. It is said when Indra was angry and he was pouring this rain, snow on the Brajvasis, the snow, the pillars, it was the size of pillars. In India, we call it ole, right? That like a stone-like snow. So it's ice, the pillars of ice. So when Lord Krishna, he lifted this Govardhan, he gave shelter to everybody under him. Everybody, all the Brajvasis have to leave their houses and all their other shelter that they have taken, and they had to come in the shelter of Govardhan Maharaj. So it was kind of locked down. The difference was that all the Brajvasis, they were having a lot of fun in spite of all the troubles around them, because they were under the shelter of Krishna, and they could see Krishna. They can talk to him. They can have sadhu sangha there. They can glorify him for 7 days, 7 nights. So the point is that if we can engage, in spite of all the troubles around, all the anxieties, all the distresses that we see, if we can engage our senses into the activities of Lord Krishna, into serving him somehow in whatever way we can in this possible scenario, then we will be free from our anxieties. So Govardhan Maharaj ki jai.
Jai.
Okay, so we'll come to our today's topic. And let me make sure. Okay. Okay. Something is wrong here. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. So just keep this picture in mind, the yoga ladder that you're seeing on your screen, because sometimes you get lost in different types of yoga that are discussed in Bhagavad Gita. So this ladder is very important, and just don't worry too much about it, but just see that Karma Yoga, then Jnana Yoga, then Ashtanga Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga. So anyway, we are students of Bhakti Yoga. Our interest is in Bhakti Yoga, but still we have to go in this spiritual journey. We had to go through all these stages. So this is called as yoga ladder. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind as we discuss this topic. And if you see, there is a note: Bhakti Yoga is the system that Gita recommends above all others. It is very simple, pure, and easy to perform. One can begin simply by chanting Hare Krishna. As soon as we start chanting Hare Krishna or any names of Krishna, any name of Vishnu, then we are performing Bhakti Yoga. Okay, especially when we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. It becomes fully materialized or manifests into Bhakti Yoga, because the meaning of the foundation, the foundational meaning, the basic meaning of this Maha Mantra is, Hey Radhe, please engage me in the service of Krishna. So right away, we are involving ourselves in the process of Bhakti Yoga. So whenever we start chanting, always we should keep that in mind, that why are we chanting? We are actually asking for service. That's very important. We should not just chant like a robot. So we should just take out a minute or few seconds before we start our chanting every day and just think, why am I chanting today? Because I'm going to ask Radharani to engage me in Krishna service. Okay, so just keep that picture in mind. And so in chapter 5, right? So before we see, we all are students of Bhakti Yoga. We have been studying and talking about Bhagavad Gita so much for so many years. So if the idea of Bhagavad Gita is to perform Bhakti Yoga, we all know that. Then why are we reading? Sometimes devotees feel, oh, why are we still reading Bhagavad Gita? Is it just like, because we have to do it, we are doing it. So I just want to stimulate our minds so that we can understand the importance. No matter we might be very advanced in Bhakti, we might be hearing big kathas, right, in our daily routine, but still the importance of Bhagavad Gita cannot be minimized. So I want to bring up that point and discuss so that we all are convinced, at least. So any answers? Why are we discussing this Bhagavad Gita? We see, the idea is like Bhagavad Gita, we talk about Karma Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and then we understand that surrender ourselves to Krishna. That is the last instruction. That is Bhakti Yoga. So, but when I'm sure each one of us know about Bhakti Yoga so much by now, then the question may arise, why are we studying Bhagavad Gita still? Please participate, because it's going to be very interactive today. We are going to make sure we understand each point. So any answers? Why are we still studying Bhagavad Gita?
Prabhuji, is it more, it's to like learn more about Krishna?
Yeah, but I think we have learned a lot already, and
Mhm.
whatever we are hearing, we might be learning a lot. That is true. That is one aspect. I'm looking for some practical answer.
Because
Anyone?
we don't have like unalloyed love,
Okay.
pure love. We are short of.
Yeah, just like Mataji said, like when we know more about Krishna, it will bring more attraction towards him, right? Any other answers?
Stay
Okay.
away from materialistic life.
Very good. One aspect of that is, so that's a very good point actually. Stay away, because when we go through these verses of Bhagavad Gita, and we understand, discuss them properly, then we come to know about our nature when we are in material consciousness, this bodily consciousness. Our true nature is soul, right? We are part and parcel of Krishna. That we very conveniently we forget about it even today. But when we keep on going back to the verses of Bhagavad Gita, then the especially the purports, the translations of Srila Prabhupada, or any audio you will hear from Srila Prabhupada, he will keep reminding us who are we first. It is so much emphasized that devotees sometimes say, why Srila Prabhupada is repeating the same point again and again? And the answer is because even after he has repeated so many times, we still don't believe that we are soul. We know, right? So just like Veena Mataji said, to know about Krishna. So that is one aspect, we know. But by reading again and again, and by the instructions that are given in Bhagavad Gita, when we apply them, it's a long journey. Unless we make sure that we have that foundation um, about our natural state of being a soul, no matter how many kathas, how many devotional services we perform, we will not be able to realize our connection with Krishna, because Krishna is not material. So through this material consciousness, we can learn about him, we can know about him, but relationship will not be able to maintain. I hope it's a very easy point, right? Just a scientific point. We cannot just touch something spiritual with material. So what we have to change? We have to change our consciousness. As soon as our consciousness becomes spiritual, then we can communicate with Krishna. So that is the point, that we keep coming back to Bhagavad Gita and how it is important in our devotional life. So just knowing is not enough. We have to take action to attain Krishna. In the kathas in Srimad Bhagavatam or other Krishna katha, we know about other devotees, how they approach Krishna, what are the qualities of Krishna, and all those things. But unless we take some actions, unless we purify our consciousness, we can know that, okay, those devotees have attained Krishna, but we will not be able to attain. So it's very important to keep working on our anarthas also. Or how if let's say we are progressing in bhakti, how can we handle the challenges or obstructions that may come in our life? How? Because what will happen as we will progress, as we will perform devotional service, the fruits of past karmas will also fructify at the same time, because we are not yet pure. Then those fruits, if they are not, even if they are good or bad, they become obstruction in the path of bhakti. But by knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, we come to know that these fruits, how to handle them. If they are bad, we have the understanding it's just a result of my past karma. So we humbly accept it and move on. We don't get discouraged. If it's a good output, then we don't get puffed up. We don't get the pride. We still know that I'm not the doer, right? With the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. So these are very subtle points, and we may not think about them on the daily basis, but very important, small points. And Bhagavad Gita is the manual of our life. So in this particular chapter, or let's say in Bhagavad Gita, various yoga systems are described, right? And can anyone tell me or speak out what kinds of yoga systems are described in Bhagavad Gita? Any one or two or three that you know? One is on the two on the are on the screen itself. Karma yoga, bhakti yoga, gyan yoga, dhyan yoga, right? These are the main yoga systems that are being described. So the point is that although Krishna revealed about all those yoga systems, but in the heart, we know that he is making sure that he is revealing that bhakti yoga is the supreme yoga. And that's why Srila Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita is very special, because even in the chapters where we are talking about karma yoga or jnana yoga, dhyana yoga, he brings up the feeling of bhakti, right? You know, how bhakti, how everything can be converted into bhakti. So far what is happening, if we recall, chapter 3, we discussed karma yoga. Chapter 4 was jnana yoga. And now chapter 5 is again karma yoga. Now chapter 5 is little different in the sense it is called as karma yoga in Krishna consciousness. So there has to be a reason why karma yoga came twice, right? After jnana yoga again. So just to make sure that, because a lot of people get lost in jnana yoga. In 5.5, Krishna says karma yoga is equal to jnana yoga. That's what he says in 5.5. And in the now the scenario is, the background is that now Arjuna is confused. When chapter 5 started, Arjuna asked the question, on one side, Krishna, you're saying that I should give up the work, renounce my work, because you spoke about Jnana Yoga. And on the other side, you're talking about Karma Yoga. So tell me what is good for me. I'm getting confused. Now, Arjuna was confused because in chapter 4, when Krishna was talking about Jnana Yoga, he took it as sannyas, that Jnana Yoga, the objective of Jnana Yoga is to abandon all the activities and take sannyas. On the contrary, Krishna meant that Jnana Yoga is not, doesn't mean that you leave your duties. It means you perform your duties in knowledge that everything that you will do is for Krishna, for me. That was the point Krishna was trying to make. So chapter 3 was Karma Yoga, chapter 5 is Karma Yoga in Krishna consciousness. So there has to be something very special about chapter 5, why Karma Yoga came twice. So Krishna, just like a good spiritual master, seeing the condition of Arjuna, of his disciple, when disciple is still building up on the spiritual knowledge, spiritual master doesn't give him the highest right away. So he will give the knowledge step by step, right? Like a good teacher. So in chapter 3, Krishna agreed with Arjun that, yeah, Jnana Yoga is better actually with Karma Yoga. But for you, because you're a Kshatriya, Karma Yoga is better because your senses are not in control right now. So renouncing will not work. That was step 1. Then Krishna tells him in chapter 5, Karma Yoga is easier, that he is telling in this chapter. How? Because in Jnana Yoga, we have to control our senses. And until we become pure, we cannot control our senses. So instead of that, use your senses in the activities for the service of Krishna. So that way it is easier. Then the next step comes where Krishna says, actually Karma Yoga itself will give you Gyan. So there is no need for you to separately put efforts for Gyan. How to understand this? How Karma Yoga is Gyan? How Karma Yoga will give Gyan? So there is a pastime that happened. Srila Bhakti Siddhant Thakur, Srila Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur, the guru of our Acharya Srila Prabhupada, he was giving a katha, and a lot of people were there. And a new person came into that assembly, and he heard the katha, and he heard the full katha for maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, however long it was. And then he approached Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and said, Maharaj, very nice katha, but I have few questions. So Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur said, okay, yeah, I will answer all of your questions. Do me a favor, go in the kitchen of the ashram. There is little help needed. Some devotees are cleaning the utensils and they need some help. So can you please first help them out and then come back, and I will be happy to spend some time with you and answer all your questions. So he gladly went to the kitchen, ashram kitchen, and he helped the devotees. He spent some time with them. He did the service, right, with the devotees. And after an hour, he came back. And then he just paid the pranam to Swamiji, to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakurji, and then he started leaving. So Swamiji Maharaj called him, oh, I thought you had questions. So he said, no, Maharaj, all the questions have been answered just by service. Right? And we all can actually, if we think about it, we all can relate to it. And that's why this a package of temple service, or the whole program that Srila Prabhupada gave to us. And that's why whenever a new devotee joins a ISKCON temple, the senior devotees or the authorities, they always involve them first into service. Nobody give them or give them the heavy knowledge, philosophy right away. They are first given little service, because that service, when done for Krishna, somehow or the other, directly or indirectly, it opens our heart. And that Divya Gyan, transcendental knowledge, automatically gets realized. And then little philosophy, then little service, then more service, more philosophy. So it's kind of science. It's a kind of program. Makes sense? Anyone would like to share anything on that, if they had the similar experience? Okay. And then finally in this chapter, Krishna will establish that Karma Yoga, right, is better than Jnana Yoga. So step by step, Krishna is revealing to Arjuna. Now, how to understand that? Why? So he said Jnana Yoga is better than Karma Yoga, and then say, no, not really. If you go deeper, Karma Yoga is better than Jnana Yoga. So one example was given, another example was given by Srila Sanatana Goswami, that in the lab, what happens when we keep reducing the temperature of liquid? It becomes ice, right? And when we further reduce the temperature, it becomes dry ice. And then we keep on still reducing the temperature. At some point, the same object, which was same ice, which was very cold, it suddenly becomes hot, right? So the deeper we go, more truth is revealed. That is one of the examples to understand the gross example, how Krishna started with saying Jnana Yoga is better, and then he said, no, actually, if you go deeper and understand more, Karma Yoga is better. Okay. So, any questions on this, or is everybody fine? Still with me, everybody?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So now, when we talk about these yoga systems, we have to realize why we are talking about these yoga systems. So again, we have to draw our attention back to the foundation of Bhagavad Gita, or the foundation of spiritual life. What is the foundation of spiritual life? Who are we?
Part and parcel of Krishna.
Yeah, part and parcel of Krishna, soul, right? We are not this body. Always we have to remind ourselves, we are soul, we are soul, we are soul. Why? Because when we remind ourselves who we really are, then we know, oh, so we are soul. So what is the nature of soul? Soul is very active by nature. Hmm? And it is seeking permanent happiness in this world. And that's why we try to find this happiness or security in jobs. We change jobs, we change locations, we change houses, we change cars, we change uh, different material objects, change phones. Hmm? So, but do we ever get satisfied? No. Hmm? Right? And when we keep on, and why are we not satisfied? Any answers? Because soul is spiritual, and we are trying to find happiness in spiritual objects. I mean, material objects. So the example given is that we are like a fish out of water. Hmm? Like a fish, when the fish is in water, that is her natural state. She is in the natural environment. But because we are caged, we as soul are caged in this material body, we are like fish out of water. And when we try to find happiness in material objects, that is not our true nature. So our eternal satisfaction, eternal happiness will be obtained only when we get into when we connect ourselves to spirituality. I'm sure this is a very easy point, and everybody is fine with that. So, what is the solution? Detach from material and attach to Krishna, because we can, just by detaching it will not work out. Our nature is very active. We have to attach with something. So either we can be attached with material or spiritual. So when we start practicing spirituality, then we start detaching ourselves with material objects or material world slowly and slowly. But we have to make sure that we, at the same time, we focus on getting attached to Krishna. Otherwise, that will be a falgu vairagya. That will be a false detachment because it will not work out. Hmm? So we should always do this check and balance every day. We all can see, like in the past few years, our attraction to material objects, if not completely um, down, but at least it will be less. If we compare ourselves 5 years back, 8 years back, we can see we will be a little more satisfied. We will feel uh, more humble ourselves and more detached towards the material objects, if not fully, but at least to some degree. Okay. And how the eternal happiness for soul will be obtained? There is a verse in Srimad Bhagavatam. It says, simply by giving oral reception to this Vedic literature, the feeling for loving devotional service to Lord Krishna, it extinguishes the fire of lamentation, illusion, and fearfulness. Because when we are focused in material world, we are very insecure, right? We hanker for an object, let's say a house, a car, or some, let's say maybe an iPhone, and then that hankering is there. And then when we get it, we are fearful. Oh, now I possess it. How can I maintain it? How can I make it secure? Hmm? Will the phone get out of my pocket, fall down? Will something in the house break? Will car break? Something will happen. That fear will come automatically. And then when if something bad happens, lamentation, right? So it's a cycle of lamentation, fearfulness, hankering. So that's why we will never be able to find solace or satisfaction, permanent satisfaction in material objects. We have to turn our attention towards Krishna, who is spiritual. Okay. Now let's see if I can pull up the verse quickly. We can cover at least one verse today. Any questions, any comments so far? Making sense? So let me know if the verse is visible on the screen. Okay. यत् सांख्ये प्राप्यते स्थानं तद योगेरपि गम्यते एकं सांख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति. Anyone would like to repeat? Okay.
यत् सांख्य प्राप्यते स्थानं तद् योगेर अपि गम्यते एकं सांख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति.
Anyone else would like to repeat?
Yat Shankhai Priyapate Sthanam Tad Yoger Api Gamyate Ekam Sankyayam Cha Yogam Cha Ya Pashyati Sa Pashyati.
Thank you. So word to word meaning yat what, sankhya by means of Sankhya philosophy. Prapyate is achieved, sthanam place, tat that, yoge by devotional service, api also, gamyate one can attain, ekam one, sankhyam analytical study, cha and yogam action and devotion, cha and yah one who, pashyati sees, saha he, pashyati actually sees. Translation: one who knows that the position reached by means of analytical study can also be attained by devotional service, and who therefore sees analytical study and devotional service to be on the same level, sees things as they are. Anyone would like to read the purport?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes,
The,
go ahead.
the real purpose of philosophical research is to find the ultimate goal of life. Since the ultimate goal of life is self-realization, there is no difference between the conclusions reached by the two processes. By the Sankhya philosophical research, one comes to the conclusion that a living entity is not a part and partial of the material world, but the Supreme Spirit whole. Consequently, the Supreme Spirit soul has nothing to do with the material world. His action must be in some relation with the Supreme. When he acts in Krishna consciousness, he is actually in his constitutional position. In the first process, Sankhya 1 has to become detached from matter. And in the devotional yoga process, one has to attach himself to the work of Krishna consciousness. Factually, both processes are the same, although superficially one process appears to involve detachment and the other process appears to involve attachment. Detachment from matter and attachment to Krishna are one and the same. One who can see this sees things as they are.
Yeah. So see how beautifully Srila Prabhupada, even in this topic about Sankhya philosophy, he brings devotional, right? The Bhakti Yoga. So what's happening here? The idea that Krishna is declaring that, see, in this world, the people who are logical minded or scientific minded, they're trying to analyze
the truth by studying the material nature. Prabhupada has had a very good lecture. He gave a very good lecture how they study this material world. They study our five senses, the gross senses, the Panch Mahabhut. And then what are they made of? They are made of five material elements: earth, water, air, earth, water, fire, air, ether. Then there are subtle elements. What are these? Man, buddhi, ahankar, mind, intelligence, and false ego, right? And these five sense objects, the five working sense objects, the five working senses, and five knowledge acquiring senses. For them, there are five objects. What are those objects? Rupa, form, taste, smell, touch, and sound. These are another five objects. So if we do all the total of this, there are 24 elements. At the very high level, the whole material nature is made up of 24 elements as per Sankhya philosophy. And Sankhya philosophy was given by, anyone knows?
Kapil Muni.
Kapil Dev. Actually, one of the incarnation of Krishna only. So it was given by, for the people who want to study this material world and then go to the truth. So what Srila Prabhupada is saying, or Sri Krishna is saying here, that the goal is same, whether it is Sankhya philosophy, Sankhya Yoga, meaning Jnana Yoga, or Bhakti Yoga. So the goal is same. They are different parts. So all these Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, they are all bona fide. When followed correctly, they all reach to Krishna. But they are hard. Anything that is not Bhakti Yoga, or if they are not converted into Bhakti Yoga, they take a lot of time, may take many births. And in between, people may even digress. And it is not easy to follow these paths. Okay, so that is the point Srila Prabhupada is making in this purport also. Okay, because split soul has nothing to do with the material world. First of all, what is the purpose of following all these yoga systems? To find the ultimate goal of life. So we have to make ourselves very sure, why am I studying Bhagavad Gita? Why am I chanting? What is my goal? Do I just want to still get involved in material life? Or do I want to spiritualize my life? Or do I want to attain the ultimate goal of life? And if there is ultimate goal, what is that goal? And that's why we do all these sadhu sangha, so that we can answer these questions, right? So that goal has to be very clear. We should not run on autopilot. This material world is so tricky. Maya Devi is she creates so much illusion that our life, if we see, so many years have passed just like autopilot. And I'm talking to myself here. So much sleep, so much waste of time on the phone, on the TVs, on the internet. So much extra endeavor at work. So many things we do, but not devotional service. Maybe very little chanting here and there, some little devotional service once a week or once a month. We attend spiritual programs, and even if we attend, sometimes we just attend. We don't try to understand. We don't. So things, we have to be very, very sincere. We should become very, very. It's an urgent situation for all of us. We cannot just afford to waste our time either, because we are compromising both our material life also, right? So why to compromise our material life? If we are not very interested, let's at least enjoy the material life. But by Krishna's mercy, by mercy of devotees, we know the importance of spiritual life, the importance of Krishna consciousness. And the point is that, and the trick is that once we approach Krishna, even if we want, he will not let us go. So now we are kind of in a very messed up situation. We can't even leave this because we have tasted that higher taste. So it's not, neither we can go back, right? So the only option is let's progress, let's advance in Bhakti Yoga, in this devotional life. Okay, so that is the point here. And the important point here is detachment from matter and attachment to Krishna are one and the same. So if we are detaching ourselves from matter, then our attachment to Krishna will happen automatically. Okay. So we should not see these different paths as contradictory, but for our purpose, we should see them which one is better for me, right? Which one will get me the goal of my life quicker, which is easier for me to follow. Any questions on this? Okay, I was expecting at least few questions, but if not, that's good. You all understand then this. So let me go back to my slide. There are a few more points I would like to cover. And let me share. Okay, hope you can see my slides. So we are talking about detachment here. So let's see. Okay, don't get surprised. It is the right picture I wanted to show. So what is detachment? Any answers? We're talking about detachment. What is the real? We're trying to understand detachment and the real sannyas.
Is it detachment
Yeah,
from
please, good.
good? Is it detachment from good food or? I don't know. I mean, the food looks really good.
Yeah. Okay. So the point here is what really detachment means. Detachment means, let's say, if we want to cook something, right? We are in the kitchen. We want to cook something. Then detachment. Sometimes people think that just don't even work. No. Detachment doesn't mean that if I'm doing some activity, I do not expect the result or I do not want the result. Please try to understand. I still want the result. I want a good result. Like if I'm cooking something or somebody is making these puris, definitely they want it to come out nice, right? So that everyone can, so in short, everyone wants good results. Okay. We cannot get rid ourselves of good results. But the point is that even let's say if we are preaching, we are having this program, we are getting together. So as participants, as organizers, as somebody who is serving in this particular assembly, with whatever service we have, even listening is also a service, right? So we want some result, right? Like as a organizer, the organizer would like to have as many as people come and get benefited, right? As a listener, I would like to take away something. I want to at least take a note of few points that can help me in the course of the whole week or whole month, right? Some expectations are always there, some results. But renunciation means, or detachment means, we are not attached to the results. Okay, so let's understand. So let's say somebody is just cooking this puri on the screen, such a nice puri. Then just the act of cooking that puri is not karma yoga, or is it karma yoga? What is it? If somebody is just cooking, making this puri, what is that? With no other intention. It's just an action, just a karma, right? But when the same person has an intention that I will make this puri and will offer to Krishna, then it becomes
Karma yoga. Karma yoga.
karma yoga, right? So this cooking and offering will become karma yoga. Now consider another scenario that the person, the devotee, is cooking this puri and it may not come up nice, right? It's not getting puffed up. It's all black. It's not the way we want. Then that person may get disheartened, and will stop cooking. I don't want to do it. So that is also not Karma Yoga, because now he's getting attached to the result. He's trying his best, but he's getting attached to the result. Another scenario, the pudding is just coming up right, like the way you can see on the screen. Perfect pudding, right? Puffed up, perfect color. And as this pudding is getting puffed up, my ego is also getting puffed up. See how nice pudding I am making, right? Then also it is not karma, although my intention is for Krishna, but because I'm getting attached to the result that I made this pudding, I get puffed up. So that is also not Karma Yoga. So what is Karma Yoga? Karma Yoga is externally keep doing your duty, right? But with the detachment, with no attachment to the result. Is that subtle point clear to everyone? I just want to try to give a very practical example, because we just read theory sometimes and we know, yeah, I know. But so this particular example, probably from tomorrow when we cook something in the kitchen, we can try to apply in a very subtle point. Okay. So to be in Krishna, in the Karma Yoga, in Krishna consciousness, means we don't get attached to the good or bad result. We just do it for Krishna. At the same time, we want the best result. Very, very important. It doesn't mean I will just cook it somehow without much focus because I'm not attached. No, that's not the point. We still expect the good result, but we are not attached to it. Very subtle point. So the best example is the Brajvasis, like how they were doing all their activities, the daily chores, the maintenance of the family, the maintenance of the cows, everything. But their whole consciousness all the time was attached in Krishna, always singing his glories, always thinking about Krishna. When he was not in the Vraj, he has gone out with the cows, with his friends. So that's why when we hear those Krishna Katha, then we develop some consciousness of that detachment. So that's why hearing to Krishna Katha is very important, again and again, every day. That may help us develop that detachment to the results. When we hear about Brajvasis, the devotees who are practicing devotion with the best of their consciousness. Okay. So this should be our checklist every day. Any activity I'm doing, am I in Krishna consciousness? Am I doing the Karma Yoga, or am I doing a karma action? That's all. Okay. And so I will skip. I think we don't have much time, so we can take it up next time. Another important point is that understanding this knowledge is very difficult unless we have the mercy of Guru or pure devotees. Why? Because when we sing Guru prayers, what do we sing? Divya Gyan Hriday Prakashito, right? When we sing Guru prayers in the temple or at home, we sing Divya Gyan Hriday Prakashito. Meaning, when we serve the pure devotee, when we serve the Guru, that Divya Gyan, the transcendental knowledge is revealed by serving him. Just same concept. Without Karma Yoga, we cannot have that Gyan. Okay. So why? Because the pure devotees, Shri Guru, they keep Krishna in their heart. When we serve somebody, we become dear to their heart in the material world also, right? And then when we serve somebody with a very nice mood, then that person also reveals their heart to us. Similarly, when we serve Guru and pure devotees, they reveal their heart to us. So we cannot approach Krishna or this knowledge directly unless we surrender to a Guru or a devotee. Right? So there are very past times. I think I'm running over time. Another important point is that in relation to that pure devotees service is, because in Chaitanya Charitamrita also, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says कृष्ण भक्ति जन्म मूला है साधु संग, कृष्ण प्रेम जन्मे तेनो पुनः मुख्य अंग. The root cause of devotional service to Lord Krishna is association with advanced devotees. So we have to be very mindful of our association throughout the day, throughout the month, throughout the week. When one's dormant love for Krishna awakens, association with devotees is still most essential. Even if we think that we are getting attracted towards Krishna and we are advancing, then also association of devotees is even more important. Very important point. Bhakti Vinod Thakur has sang a bhajan. Very nice bhajan. We don't have time for the whole bhajan. But the meaning of the bhajan is the dust of the lotus feet of pure devotees, enthusiastic devotional service, and service to the pure devotees of the highest order are the roots of the creeper of devotion. What are the foundation of devotion? The dust of the lotus feet of pure devotee, meaning service of the pure devotee. Enthusiastically performing our devotional service, not like one day I want to do it, I want to chant, next day I don't want to chant based on my mood. Always enthusiastic. And serving the pure devotees. So the dust of the lotus feet of pure devotees means following their instructions. That is the whole meaning of taking the dust of the lotus feet of pure devotees. So Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur sings, Shuddha Bhakti Charana Renu Bhajan Anukula Bhakat Seva Parama Siddhi Prema Latikar Mula. Shuddha Bhakti Charan Renu, the dust of the lotus feet of pure devotees. That is favorable to Bhakti, Bhajan Anukula. Bhakat Seva, serving the devotees. That gives us Param Siddhi and the prema of Krishna. So I wanted to make sure that we understand that the service to pure devotees, the service to devotees, following the instructions of our acharyas, when we perform our sadhana as per their instructions, then automatically it becomes very easy for us to understand this knowledge. So I think I will stop here. There are a lot of points. This chapter is actually very power packed. So I took some time to create the background because it has been a while. We touched Bhagavad Gita because of Kartik Maas and then the special programs. So I wanted to make sure that we touch the background and then proceed. Otherwise, it will be just theory. So I hope I'm able to serve a little bit today. And there were few points that all of us can take and practice them over the course of the week. And hopefully they will be helpful for us in the devotional life. So any questions, any comments, any realizations, any additions, any corrections? Anything you might have liked or disliked?
I have one question.
Yes, Anand Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. How to cooking puri is a good example. But how can we have same feeling for say our office work, or we have to do something for office then?
Yeah, good question, because that's the majority of our time goes into office, right?
Yeah.
Right. So very good question. So when we why are you working? To maintain our family, right? Is that true?
Yeah.
Right. So that's why we have to make special effort to make our family Krishna conscious family. That way our whole family becomes the devotees of the Krishna, of Lord, right? All of them become devotees.
Yeah.
And then our consciousness should be that when I am logging on to my job and when I'm going to my work, this is not the time I'm wasting in material activities. This is because I'm serving my family who are devotees. And this work will help me in maintaining these devotees, right? Our attachment should not be because she's my wife, he's my son, she's my daughter, but because they are devotees. And another thing is that I'm earning money so that I can maintain myself and the devotees and my family, everything at the same time, so that I can serve Krishna with that money. Because whatever money we earn, if we don't spend at least a portion of it in Krishna's service, then that money is not purified. Because we all know in today's world, the money comes in all the forms. We don't know what is the source of that money that we are getting. Lot of people in between are involved. So we spiritualize that money. And slowly, when we have this consciousness that I'm working for maintaining my family, which is a Krishna conscious family, the devotees, then your karma, that action, that work becomes karma yoga. It's a whole topic in itself, but very good discussion we can have. Yeah, I got a message. Okay. Yeah. So Anand Prabhu, was that helpful, or we can further discuss also, because it's a big topic,
Yeah, that was helpful.
right? So the first consciousness is that it is not to satisfy my senses, not because I have to satisfy my senses, but because I have to maintain this Krishna conscious family. So that's why the bhakti starts at home. We have to make our family Krishna conscious. And we all are stakeholders in that. Very important. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other question? Any other point?
If you permit me, I will add something to
Absolutely, Prabhuji, please.
because we keep because most of the times we will be logging into our systems. One of the things is I always enter maybe some password which can be have something to do with Krishna. That's what. Not only that thing. I mean, while coding also, you try to write so many things. You always can keep Krishna in mind and keep something there, so that you will always come back, and that consciousness you keep on there entire during that work also.
Yes, very nice point. Yeah, somehow you can remind yourself that, we belong to Krishna. Make our screensavers, computers screensavers, or iPhones screen backgrounds, Krishna conscious backgrounds, passwords, like Prabhuji said. We can even put a reminder for ourselves that every 1 hour, we take a pause and chant Hare Krishna 1 time or 2 times. Very, very powerful techniques. And if we can follow it, in 1 month, we can see the difference in our consciousness. We can put stickers on our desk, which can remind us. We can put the calendar, which has pictures of Krishna, his pastimes, and whatnot. Or whenever we are not doing something that really needs concentration or focus, very clerical job, sometimes we do that. We can hear on the headphones katha. So it's a whole topic in itself, like I said. So a lot of techniques are there, and all devotees, I'm sure, they can share their experiences, what works out for them. Thank you, Rambabu Prabhu. Any other additions, questions, comments? I know one doctor. Tripti, you want to share that pastime about how he helps the
Which one?
patients, the Nitai?
Oh, yeah. That is a very wonderful
Beautiful,
pastime.
yeah.
Yeah, so there is one doctor. So like he was explaining in one of the class. I heard that like one Maharaj, he asked the question to Maharaj, like, since I am always in this profession and they are not supposed to talk much about religion and all those things. Of course, Krishna consciousness is not religion, but yeah, so he asked Maharaj.
Yeah, because
so
in the hospitals, mostly they are Catholic hospitals, right? Christian hospitals. So we cannot speak very
so
openly.
so like they do some exercise. I think he was in some department where they were doing some exercise. So mm, so Maharaj told him like you can ask them to take the names of like Nimai and Nitai, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu is the most merciful. So he said like, Maharaj, how? So Maharaj showed him the technique. So Maharaj said like, hold your knee. When you touch your knees, and then tell them knee, and then hold their thigh, knee, thigh, and then you do and touch your knee, and then say knee, my. So knee, thigh, knee, my. So this is how like he's practicing. So
And
this
he's
is
practicing, very nice, very famous doctor and very nice devotee, and he's following it even today after so many years. And he
yeah.
says
So
like,
isn't it so amazing like how devotees are spreading Krishna consciousness? Like we think that, oh, how we can do, we are full-time job, this, that. But if we have desire, so like Krishna gave us ways, like how I was so amazed with that. Oh my God, like how we can do that.
yeah, such a nice technique, and amazing if you think about it, for such a nice service to Srila Prabhupada by preaching the names of Nimai and Nitai. And at the same time, the patients who might be leaving this body, they're getting benefited by taking the names of Lord in their last
Yeah,
time.
at least one time, like doing the exercise also, if they're taking the name like Nitai, Nimai. So yeah.
See, actually, this is a very strong point I will make, that we have to come out of this tendency of only serving ourselves in bhakti. This is not what bhakti means. It is a service. The service is not for self, service is for others. And I'm preaching to myself also, that we have to always come out with the ways, how can I serve others? Hmm? Because we get very demotivated when somebody, when negative experiences happen. Somebody criticizes, somebody makes, problems. But bhakti is independent of all this negativity. So we have to come out of this mindset of, oh, I have to get something out in bhakti. I have to get. A lot of the problems in the temples, I will say very openly, is because I go to temple, I expect something there always. I want. But the point in that, when we go to temple or the spiritual programs, is what can I give, not what I want. What can I give? There will always be problems, always be conflicts. But as soon, no temple there's no church, no institution in this world will have that is free of problems. But those institutions survive and are successful where people mostly have the tendency to contribute. How can I serve? How can I make the change? How can I change the things? Oh, it's not working out. Let me go to the other temple. Same problem. You go to other temple. You go to other center. Same problems. It's the same human. We all are contaminated. Nobody is pure. If we were pure, we will not be here sitting. We will be in the spiritual world. So we have to very mature, understand this fact with a lot of maturity. So, but amazing pastime that happened, that how can we serve? We can come out with so many things in all our professions. And it's very important, just like Anand Prabhu asked a question so that these few points came up. Asking question is very important, because the devotee was sharing his experience. Somebody asked a question. That's why he has shared that experience. So when we ask questions, all the devotees in this assembly will share their experiences, and we will be amazed. Who can think the password could be Krishna conscious? Our computer password could be Krishna conscious, right? So, yeah, discussion, this parasparam bodhyanti in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, devotees, when they get together, they don't gossip. They don't talk about what's bad in the temple, what's bad in this congregation, what's bad in that person. When they get together, they talk about paraspar bodhyanti. How can I improve my services in Krishna consciousness? That's what they talk about. So thank you for sharing that. And one more important that I forgot to take, that we have to understand that we were talking about all the bona fide yoga systems and spiritual paths. They all lead to the same result, but we have to consider the time, place, and circumstances, right? So in this age of Kali Yuga, what is given to us? Hare Naam eva kevalam, kalau nastev gatir anyatha. In this age of Kali Yuga, nothing else will work. Only thing that will work is Hari Naam Sankirtan. And that's why Krishna came as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Only that will work. All other things will assist this process. All our other devotional services, deity service, Vigraha Seva, service to anything we do, right? Because they are all interrelated. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is said, Kali Kale Naam Rupe Krishna Avatar, Naam Baite Haye Sarva Jagat Nishtar. In this age of Kali, the holy name of the Lord, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, is the incarnation of Lord Krishna. We get fascinated by Krishna's avatars, his incarnations, right? So we should not take this Kali Naam, Harinam, as cheap, something cheap. It is incarnation of Lord Krishna. There is no difference between Naam and Nami. Kali Kale Naam Rupe Krishna Avatar. Krishna has appeared in this Kali Yuga as Naam, his names. Simply by chanting the names of Krishna, these holy names, one can associate directly with Krishna. And anyone who does it, guaranteed will be delivered. These are the words from Chaitanya Charitamrita, not my words. And Chaitanya Charitamrita is even higher than Bhagavatam. So very important. And even in Bhagavatam, right? Bhagavatam is the topmost literature for so many sampradayas. What is the last verse? After so many cantos, so many chapters, 18,000 verses, the last verse, the conclusion, if we see, 12.13.23 is the last verse of Srimad Bhagavatam. The conclusion of Srila Suta Goswami is Nam Sankirtam Yasya Sarva Papa Prasannam Prapanno Dukha Samsar Hari Nam Tam Namani Harim Param. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Lord, Hari, the congregational chanting of whose holy names destroys all sinful reactions, and the offering of obeisances unto whom relieves all material suffering. The whole conclusion of Srimad Bhagavatam is also Sankirtan, Hari Sankirtan, that can deliver us from all the miseries, all the anxieties of all these cycle of birth, death, old age, disease. So that is the sar of everything. No matter how much we can talk about all the yoga systems, but in this age of Kali Yuga, Kali Kale Naam Rupe. So please take seriously this chanting, and chanting should be our topmost priority, first thing in the morning. So with that, thank you so much for listening. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam. Please forgive me if I said too much. I'm not authorized to say too much, but as a part of this service, whatever I could understand, I could cover, I could speak. So if you like something, it is all by mercy of Shri Guru, Srila Prabhupada. And please forgive me if I have said something which was not something you might have not liked. So I will stop here. If still anyone has any comments, please feel free to jump in, and then we can do the prayers.
Thank you for the wonderful class, Prabhu. It's very practical, at the same time subtle, very down to earth, and we can take.
All glory to Srila Prabhupada, all glory to Shri Guru.
Yes, thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Okay. Questions? So anyone would like to do Narsimha prayers? I'm not sure if any youth is there on the call.
I can sing it.
Who is that?
Amish.
Amish, how are you feeling, buddy?
Good.
Good, all back to normal?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good to hear your voice. Go ahead.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Prahlad Lal Daine.
Prahlad Lad Daine.
Hiranyakashi Purvasyaha.
Hiranyakashi Purvakshaha.
Shilatan Kal Nakhaya.
Shilatan Kan Khala hai.
To Narsinga Parato Narsinga.
Ito Narsimho Parato Narsingo.
Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsinga.
Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimho.
Bahe Narsingo Hirdaye Narsingo.
Bahir Narsimho Hidaye Narsimho.
Narsinga Madim Sharanam Papade.
Narsimhamadim Sharanam Prapade.
Tavakara Kamalavare Nakam Abudashinga Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubringam Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadesha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Tavakara Kamalavare Adbhuta Shringam Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubringam Keshavadhrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Jaya Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev, Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev.
Jaya Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev, Jaya Narsimha Dev.
Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj.
Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj.
Nitya Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitya Gaura Hari Bol.
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
More Premanande.
Hari Bol, very nice. Thank you, Amesh. So, thank you, everyone. And just a couple of announcements. So, like we discussed in the meeting, we will have celebrate Gita Jayanti on Friday, December 25th. We will recite the verses, and hopefully very soon I should be able to publish the roster. All of you can sign up for the chapters you would like to recite, and we'll also play recorded audio so that we can be time bound also, we don't go too much late. So we'll do that. And also, yeah, we discussed about some kind of activity for kids and youth. So if we have any volunteers, please let me know who can coordinate. We can all provide a lot of resources, a lot of things. We can work together and do this nice service for our youth. Very important. I cannot stress enough importance on how important it is for these youth and the kids to keep engaged in these devotional programs. We all have given them a very good foundation, so we have to just build on that. So we will, hopefully we can start something soon. Any suggestions, please reach out to us, or we can always talk in these programs also. It's not a one-way program, we all can interact. It's a congregational program, and we all should be think that we are stakeholders in this. Thank you so much, and we will see you coming Friday, if not before. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time. Really appreciate your association. That gives me this Friday evening gives me a lot of boost for the whole week. Thank you for everyone's association and participation. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
All glories to all the devotees. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. All glories to all the spiritual masters. All glories to Shri Shri Kishore Kishori Ji ki Jai.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, everyone. And please keep each other in the prayers and in good thoughts. Keep on checking with each other and keep the communication open. That Guru Maharaj says, if there is a lack of communication between devotees, they are not devotees. So I'm also trying to learn that as much as I can. Communication is the key for devotees. So I always try to keep that in mind. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Dandavat Pranam.
Thank you, Ramabu Prabhu. Thank you for joining. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Also.
Thank you.